In the heart of a dense forest, there lived a young raven named Corvus. Unlike his peers, Corvus was born with a wing deformity that made flying a seemingly impossible task. While his siblings soared gracefully through the skies, Corvus struggled to even leave the ground. Despite the challenges he faced, Corvus refused to give up on his dream of flying. Every day, he would watch with longing as the other birds danced among the clouds, determined to find a way to join them. One day, as Corvus watched a group of migrating geese pass overhead, he noticed how they worked together, each bird supporting the other in flight. Inspired by their teamwork, Corvus sought the guidance of an elder owl known for his wisdom. The wise owl listened to Corvus's plight and nodded thoughtfully. To overcome your limitations, you must embrace your strengths, he advised. Though you may not fly like the others, you possess intelligence, cunning, and resilience. With renewed determination, Corvus set out to hone his skills. He studied the wind patterns, mastered the art of navigation, and learned to use his intellect to outwit predators and find food. Months passed, and Corvus's efforts began to bear fruit. Though he still couldn't fly, he could glide short distances with the help of the wind currents. With each successful glide, his confidence grew, and he became a symbol of perseverance and resilience in the forest. One day, a fierce storm swept through the forest, wreaking havoc on the trees and scattering the birds. In the chaos, Corvus spotted a fledgling robin trapped in a tangle of branches, its wing injured. Drawing upon all he had learned, Corvus swooped down and carefully untangled the young robin, guiding it to safety with his gentle beak. The other birds looked on in awe as Corvus, the raven who couldn't fly, became the hero of the forest. The story of Corvus teaches us that true strength lies not in our physical abilities, but in our determination, resilience, and willingness to adapt. It reminds us that we all face obstacles in life, but it is our response to those challenges that defines us. By embracing our unique talents and persevering in the face of adversity, we can overcome even the greatest of obstacles and achieve our dreams. If you like this beautiful story, please like, share and subscribe.